Good evening. I would like to go over question 7 in the chapter 4 quiz access today. This is all about closing entries, which we did just barely learn about, but it is a good reminder to go over, especially when we're learning about merchandisers. So this is very similar to just like closing for a normal service-oriented business. So we're going to start here. It says record the closing credit balances. So here we know we're going to put sales right here, and then we are going to put income summary, sorry, that is my bad. And we know this is 605,000. 1, 2, 3, and this one is also going to match it. Okay, and that's all you have to do with this one. And these do kind of daisy chain down, so do kind of be wary of that, so don't try to skip order. Number 2, we are going to record the closing debit balances. So right here, we're going to start with our income summary. And right here, we're going to go up to our list, and it's going to be all of the expenses. So we're going to have sales returns, and I like to do them in order, so it's easy to go down with the numbers in order. Sales discounts, cost of goods sold, salary expense, utilities, selling expense, not prepaid, and administrative expense. And I'm going to do all of the credits first, because you got to use all your credits to get your debits. And so we have sales return allowances, 21,300. You got 6,900. Cost of goods sold, 250,000. Sales salary expense, 67,000. Utility is expense, 24,500. Selling expense, 45,500. And administrative expense for 124,000. And I already added all this math up beforehand, and it does equal 539,200. So that's they're just closing out, just like how we've learned in the past. The third one, we are going to a retained earnings. So we're going to put our income summary here again. Retained earnings. And here's a little trick for you guys. So your income summary right here, 605,000. Subtract your income summary here. You're going to get the number of 65,800, which is your retained earnings, which is revenues minus expenses. 5. And they again are going to cancel out. And lastly, which is a very easy one, is the dividends, which is 52,000. And they're just going to cancel themselves out. So I'm just going to type these in. Oh, my bad. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then, and this is important, you're not going to put income summary right here. You're going to put the retained earnings right here. So before we go any further, I'm going to check my work. It is all complete and correct. Just remember to do it in steps. Each one kind of daisy chains off of each other. If you get confused, you can go back to the book and relook at the steps from one of our previous chapters. And I hope you can use this while you're doing the quiz. If you already know it, great. Otherwise, I guess just keep on keeping on. And I wish you all luck. And you guys have a good night.